Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious oatmeal cookies. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth baking process. You'll need butter, both brown and granulated sugars, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget the vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. We'll also use all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Finally, the star ingredient, 3 cups of rolled oats. Having everything measured out beforehand makes baking much easier. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the brown and granulated sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. It's time to bring everything together. Gradually add your dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, gently fold in the 3 cups of rolled oats. Once your dough is ready, drop rounded tablespoons onto a baking sheet. Bake these delicious treats at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. Once baked, let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For optimal freshness, store any leftover oatmeal cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. They're perfect for a quick snack or a delightful dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.